What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, that's Bo, and we're going to be working on the Del Sol project. We've got to get this thing up off the ground. That way I can get my motor pulled out of it. It blew up a couple months ago and I'm over it. I'm ready to get the new one put in and be able to cruise this thing around again. But we've got a lot of work to do, so let's go ahead and get started. We are out here working on getting the oil pan pulled off. Let's see what we can do with this thing. That's where the part just came out. What? Just shot out of there, didn't it, babe?
Yeah, there's some of the carnage from when you broke it, when you blew it up.
I blew it up, you blew it up. I'm blowing it up next time.
Uh-oh. Alright, that was the last one, I think.
Okay, let's see what the inside of this oil pan looks like.
It's gonna be full of stuff. Woo! I already fallen out of the hole. Yeah. All the damage was done by what was left of the rod. It smacked the block.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. Here's the journal of the crank. So this is what you would really be concerned about, because if that's messed up, as soon as you put it in and run it, it's gonna destroy the bearing, start knocking.
Alrighty, y'all. Now that we've dug into the damage a little bit more, there's no way we're gonna be able to just patch the motor up and send it like I was wanting to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything pulled out of the engine bay. That way we can get started on building the new motor and maybe getting that put in pretty soon. Check it out, guys. We got the engine pulled out of the Del Sol. Just a better look at the hole. It's in the block. But yes, I have a nasty engine bay that needs to be cleaned up. There's still oil everywhere. Up underneath the car's nasty. So the next thing I need to do is get everything cleaned up.
There she blows. What is it? What is it? Oh, no. Oh. It's a new car.
We have a B18B non-VTEC. Yep, this is what we're putting in the Del Sol. So I know it looks like a downgrade, but we're basically just trying to get it running. Wow, this looks so much better. We've gotten the engine cleaned up and we're about to take some things apart and replace some gaskets. Of course, we're gonna put the turbo back on, boost this thing. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this thing cleaned up and put back in the Del Sol. I really miss driving it around. On a little side note for the right-hand drive, check it out, y'all. We officially have glass put in. The windshield and the rear glass is installed, and I am so excited. It's looking really great. And it is just so nice to see this car looking more and more put together, because we're really ready to get these car parts out of the house. This project's taken us a lot longer than we expected, but I mean, we do what we can when we can. You know how life gets. But it turned out really great, and I can't wait to get these windows installed and put in the doors. That way we'll have all of the glass. Can't wait to get the dash put in. Just finished getting this thing put back together. But everything's looking awesome. And I just kind of wanted to show you an update on the right-hand drive. What you doing?
Just gapping these new plugs for your new engine. Getting them ready for boost. Gapping them down to 20 thousandths.
Nice.
So we're not going to run too much boost in there. Only about 20 pounds.
Yup.
Not joking.
No, I'd kill it.
Yeah, we don't have to do this right away again.
I know. We're lucky the other one lasted as long as it did.
Yeah, got a good 2.5 years of thrashing on it.
But yeah, this thing is just about ready to go in the car.
Yep, and get the plugs in. Spark plug wires on there. Alternator on there. A couple little miscellaneous odds and ends, and I put a new timing belt, new water pump, new valve cover gasket, new intake gasket. I changed the distributor cap, it was broken.
Yeah, you've been working hard.
It'll be ready to go in though in no time.
I know, I'm so excited to get it driving again. I miss cruising around. I know, I can't wait to get your turbo put on too, babe.
I know, I need to put my new turbo on. Finally got a nice ball bearing turbo for my car. Just gotta get it put on.
Yep.
It's gonna be nice.
That'd be really, really sweet.
Make all the boost.
So, coming soon.
Yeah, hopefully. We get the Del Sol running again. I feel bad that I blew it up.
Yeah, next time, hopefully
It was
I'm
just
driving.
tired.
Yeah, it was just ready.
It had enough. It was stock engine other than ARP rod studs and ARP head bolts.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was probably making over 300, I'd say. 15 pounds of boost. B20 VTEC.
Yeah.
E85.
You're the best, babe. Thanks for doing all this. Alright guys, this video is coming to an end. I'm playing with my new Christmas present. You're the best, babe. And seriously, I'm like practical as hell. So I am so excited about this grill. I've been wanting one for a while. Alrighty y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you did. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. It'd mean the world to me. I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas and spent time with their family and friends. I know we sure did. But we'll catch y'all in the next video whenever we're installing the motor for the Del Sol.